2 points. Five second shot clock. Rebound number 7. Good. 10 second shot clock. Rebound number 83. Ten second shot clock.
Patay na naman.
2 points. Number 6. Assist number 7.
Ayos yan.
Ten second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Rebound 83.
Patay.
Rebound 0. Lock. Out of bounds. Rebound 13. Into rebound 29. Rebound number 3. Seven to Boyd, assist number 3. Ten second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Still number 7. Foul number 13.
5 minutes.
Good fight. Number 17. Rebound number 7. 7, good fight. Rebound good fight. Substitution. Substitution.
Time out sila.
Jake, bababa ko na ako sa'yo.
Puso ng time out. Puso ng time out.
Time out kami. Time out kami.
Time out. Team Moran, time out. Boss, time out ah.
Two of you under. Two of you. Get over. Get over. No, foul na. Twist. Say so.
Dito lang siya pag may nagtitwipol eh.
Nadidetek niya, sir.
Out of bounds. Rebound, 29. Good point. Tense ang shot clock. Rebound ang Hill. Pwede na yung goal. Assist number 8.
20 years lang. Hindi lamang ako ng first half eh. Tapos nung nagtama-tama na sila sa gano'n. Siyempre iba yung next nun.
Tense ang shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock.
Mas takot-takot pa sila. Kahit
First foul.
wala naman kami play.
One number 8.
Iniwan si Uko. Kapit, Sus! Kapita mo! Kasi doon lang naman sila. Tato lang siya.
16 to 12. Assist number 3. Tense ang shot clock.
Yari.
2 points. Assist number 3.
Sila, wala si Jacob. Saan ba si Jacob? Marahil.
Rebound number 5.
July pa. Dapat ba July?
Tense ang shot clock. Rebound 29.
Sab kami, sab kami.
Goal for point. Two points, number 3. Substitution.
JJ po.
On number 3.
Sinabi. Solo naman talaga. Nakatulog. Ano yung matter ha?
Bradley, resistance.
1-2 na eh.
Si Jude! Number 6!
Jake is right.
Agad-agad. Tsaka sa depensa. Ito, makakita ko ng butas doon. Siyempre, bante si Siyempre pa. Wala ka po doon eh. Dapat tumalun eh.
Rebound number 8.
Ba't lang na rin ba?
Regular design.
At talino, sinabi ko. Masusukan pa lang.
Excellent shot clock. Rebound number 2.
Echo!
Regular design.
Nicely!
Rebounding the 7. Steal number 5. Win violation.
Timer! 2 points lang!
Stay number 5. 7 to points.
Last shot!
Assist number 5.
6, 7,
5 seconds.
4 lamang. Felix Day.
Rebound number 7. Rebound 0. Out of bounds.
Tapos kahapon, pagka-rebound na nila. Kasi, umpisa na ano namin, pero hindi naman talaga. Sabi, isa pa lang.
Rebound 13.
Nagtatawa-tawa, hindi na nakakapagod kaya.
Rebound 83.
Sa zona, nagano, medyo cheat.
Rebound number 8. Block number 83. 6 ball.
Hindi, naglalaro.
Shot clock 14 seconds. 10 shot clock. 5 shot clock. Rebound 7. Foul number 13. Second foul, number 13. Substitution.
Dapat pinag-divide mo sila.
Nice! Walay, walay!
Five shot clock. Ooh. Rebound 0. Zero to point. Referee, variation. Substitution.
5 minutes! Good, 5 minutes!
Hindi, pag dalawang tuhod ba yun? Dalawang tuhod? Dalawang tuhod ba ito?
Sabay tumayo eh.
Hindi ko nakita eh.
Rebound.
Rebound number 15. Zero to point.
Hindi niya rin pwede tumayo.
10 seconds shot clock. Rebound 0. Points number 3, assist number 7.
Time out, boss. Cancel na.
Ten seconds shot clock.
Sa referee!
After variation. Substitution. Ooh.
One down.
Get up, get up! Go!
Foul. Number 5.
Ang yung budget at the referee.
Ay, boss, wala nang gano'n, walang foul.
Boss, Sam? Hindi naman parang sa akin naka-express. Game time lang. Kasi ba? Basta hindi lang. Tsaka lang siya nag-rotate.
Si The Extender daw kasi yung referee.
Three to point.
Sabi ko ng Discord mode side.
Ayun na ha! Sige, ganyan na! Okay lang yan!
Si Scott Foster yung referee. The Extender namin. Pag gusto mo lang i-extend yung series.
30 to point.
Okay, nicely, nicely!
Awal, tapos na. Hindi mo kailangan kasi pwedeng gunners din.
Substitution.
Nawi niya. Extend. Nawi niya, one. Pabagsak na siya eh. May dalawa pa siya eh. Ang problema yun, nakatalikod eh. Hindi ko alam kung kailan niya yung pag yung pangatlo pa lang, yung pangalawang step pa lang, ginanon niya tapos gumanon pa siya. Travel.
Yan, ganyan lang, ganyan lang, ganyan lang!
Extend na
Zone lang tayo, zone, yan!
solid yung Nawi eh. Parang kasi nawalan ng balance din si ano, di ba?
Team to be 116. 10 seconds shot lang. Team to be Rebound 83. Shot lang. 5 seconds shot lang. Rebound number 8.
Stop ball, stop ball!
Team to rebound number 8. Block number 83. Rebound number 15. Rebound number 5. Ten seconds shot clock. Rebound number 2. Rebound 83.
Tres.
Number 3. There's a shot now. Out of bounds.
Time out, time out, time out!
Time out, team Moran.
Kaya mo? Kaya mo ba? Kaya ba? Okay lang, okay lang.
Nakapatatakan naman eh. Ganda ng patatakan.
Hey, hey, dalawang kamay! Dalawang kamay, boss! Wala na mga hamon sa'yo eh. Dalawang kamay mo na. Shoot, tira mo na. Okay lang yun.
Patay. Venus. Ay, ano yata yung pre?
3 points. Rebound 7.
Nawawala na ako ng hangin pag pinapagkaan.
Na.
Rebound of 8. Point number 6.
Two shots po. Ay, hindi na po. Bola daw, bago pa.
Rebound number 6. Great win violation. Great win violation.
Ano hindi gumagalaw? Ay, hindi yung pag dalawa. Gumagalaw na ba? Oo. Isa lang kanina yun, pangalawa ngayon.
Ten shot clock. Needs to be one number 8. 2 points. Thirty-five seconds. 30 seconds. 10 shot clock. Rebound 16. 15 seconds. 10 shot clock. It's the rebound 16. Rebound 31, 5 seconds. End of second quarter.